In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim your Shopify Store's website on Pinterest. This process is not only essential for boosting your website's visibility on Pinterest, but also enables you to tap into a range of additional features and analytics offered by Pinterest. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. To start off, head over to your Pinterest account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to access the settings. Take a look around until you find the Claim section under Claimed Accounts. This is the area where you can manage accounts like your website or other social media platforms you might want to link with Pinterest. It's important to claim your website here to ensure all the content coming from your store is properly attributed to you. Now, select the Website option. Pinterest will provide you with a unique HTML tag. This tag is what you will use to verify ownership of your Shopify website. Copy this HTML tag carefully, as it's a critical component in the verification process. Next, let's move over to your Shopify account. Log in, and from the dashboard, navigate to the online store and then to Themes. Here, you need to select the Edit Code option. This is where we'll insert the HTML tag that we copied earlier into your website's code. Once you are in the code editor, locate the theme liquid file. You can find it under the Layout section of your theme files. Opening this file might look complex if you're not used to code, but don't worry, we'll keep it straightforward. Scroll through the theme.liquid file to find the section. This is usually located at the top of the file. It's essential to make sure you don't disturb any existing code. Simply paste the HTML tag you copied from Pinterest right within the section. This will identify your site when Pinterest checks for the tag. After pasting the code, the next crucial step is to save these changes. Always save changes to ensure your edits are applied to the theme. This step confirms that your website is ready to be verified by Pinterest. Now, back to Pinterest. Enter your website URL in the provided verification field on the claim page. After entering the URL, click on Verify. At this point, Pinterest will begin the process of confirming your claim. Verification might take a little while, so patience is key here. Once verified, Pinterest will confirm your claim. By doing this, you unlock valuable analytics about your Pinterest activity, providing insights into how your pins are performing. Additionally, claiming your site will enable features like shoppable pins, where users have the option to buy your products directly from Pinterest, which is a great way to increase your sales. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully claimed your Shopify store's website on Pinterest.